Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can use Instagram or how to use Instagram for beginners. Now, the first step what you'll have to do is download Instagram. So, I'll teach you how to download Instagram. Firstly, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app on your phone. After you're on this home page of the Play Store app, on the top of your screen you'll see this search bar. Now what you'll have to do is click on that search bar and type in Instagram and hit the search button, which will guide you to another page and show the Instagram app on your device. Now as you can see, I already have the Instagram app downloaded and installed onto my device. So an update button has appeared on my screen. But in your case, if you don't have the Instagram app downloaded on your device, an install button will appear. Now just simply go ahead and click on that and wait for the Instagram app to be completely downloaded and installed. Once the Instagram app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, let's move on to how you can sign up to Instagram. So firstly, open up the Instagram app on your phone. So let me just firstly sign out from my account. Here. Now wait for it to sign out. Now I'll teach you how to sign up to Instagram. So once you open up Instagram, you'll be on this page of the Instagram app, which is the login page. Now what you can do is simply log in by filling in your phone, email address or username and password here and then clicking on the login button. Or you can log in by clicking on this login with Facebook option, which will link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. But if you don't have the Instagram account, what you have to do is click on the sign up button on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on the sign up button, you'll be guided to another page. Now there are two methods for you to go from here. You can either use your phone number to sign up or your email address to sign up. So let's say I want to use my email address to sign up. Fill in your email address and then click on the next button. If you want your phone number to sign up, just fill in your phone number and click on the next button. Now as you can see, a confirmation code has been sent to the email address I just entered. So open up your Gmail account and then fill in that confirmation code here. Make sure you do it correctly. So the confirmation code that I got is 073928 and click on this next button. If you use your phone number, a confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. Now you'll have to enter your full name here. So let's say my name is John Smith and then fill in a password. So let's say I want my password to be this, and you can either choose to synchronize your contacts, which will show you the profiles of the people who used their phone numbers for Instagram in your contact book, or you can just simply click on this continue without syncing contacts. Now you have to fill in your date of birth. So to fill in your date of birth, you have to use this slider. So let's say I was born on 3rd of March 2001. So that means I'm 21 years old, and I'll have to click on this next button, which will guide me to another page. And now I'll have to choose a username. So Instagram has put in this username by default. I can use that or use anything that I like. So I can just simply say I want it to be this and 1-2. So that is good too. So click on this next button and then confirm it by clicking on the sign up option. Now Instagram is registering all my data. Wait for your registration process to complete. Now you can connect to Facebook, or you can just simply skip it and click on skip again. Now wait for Instagram to load. So in this discover people page, you can follow the suggested celebrities by simply clicking on this follow option. So let's say I want to follow Nike, Selena Gomez, Beyonce, and then once you're done with all the followings, click on the arrow on the top right corner of your screen, which will guide you to another page. Now, Instagram is used as a social media to show photos to your friends and followers and see photos from your friends and followings. So let's move on to how you can upload photos and stories on Instagram. So firstly, to upload a story, what you'll have to do is click on this your story option on the top left corner of your screen once you're on your home page, which will open up your gallery. Now there are two ways you can upload a story. One is you can use your camera to instantly click a photo and upload it by clicking on this camera option, and you can choose pictures and videos from your gallery. So let's say I want to upload this on my story, so I'll have to click on it and then I'll have to click on this next option and click on share. So the story will be uploaded. To view other people's stories, what you'll have to do is simply click on these options that will appear on your story tab on the top of your screen. Now to post a photo to your Instagram, you'll have to click on this post option on the middle and bottom of your screen, or the plus icon, and again you can choose photos and videos from your gallery, or you can use your camera by clicking on this option and then simply clicking a picture. So let's move on to how you can search and follow people. Now to search for Instagram accounts, what you'll have to do is click on this magnifying glass option on the middle bottom of your screen, which will open up the search tab. Now simply click on the search tab, and let's say I want to follow Cristiano Ronaldo. Simply search for his name and it will just appear on this page. So click on it and then click on this follow option. Now to message someone on Instagram, you'll have to go to their profile and click on this message option and then type and send a message if you want to. Now to see your followers and following list, what you'll have to do is go to your profile by clicking on this profile icon, which will show your profile. So once you post something, the posts will be here on your profile page. Now you can see your followers by clicking on the followers. Right now I have 0 followers, so I can't see anyone, but I have followed 4 people, which is the following tab, and I can see them, and suggested people are here. Now if you want your Instagram to be private, a private Instagram means that people have to request to follow you, which you can confirm by just simply clicking on the confirm button, which will appear on this love icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now to keep your Instagram profile private, click on your profile option, which will guide you to this page, and then click on this 3 lines on the top right corner of your screen, which will guide you to another page. Now on this menu, click on your settings option and then click on the privacy option, and all you have to do is click on this private account option and click on the switch to private option. Now people will have to request you to follow your Instagram account. You can also use Instagram for shopping. To see the products and stuff, what you have to do is click on this shopping icon or the bag icon on the bottom of your screen, which will guide you to another page. Now you can see various products which are recommended to me. So let's say I want this t-shirt. I'll have to click on it and then view on website, which will guide me to this seller's website. To search shops, I'll have to click on this option, and let's say I want shoes. So I'll search for shoes and various shops will appear on my screen. Now to accept a request, click on this love icon and just simply click on confirm if you want to accept it and delete if you want to reject it. That is all for how you can use Instagram as a beginner. I hope this video helped you to gain a general idea on how you can use Instagram to share pictures, videos with your friends and followers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.